Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to change Alternator Audi A3 updated. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and letting the car sit to clear stored power. Remove the engine cover and inspect the serpentine belt path to note routing. Loosen the belt tensioner and remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Unplug electrical connectors and remove mounting bolts to free the alternator for replacement. With battery disconnected and belt slack, carefully support the alternator while you remove mounting bolts and electrical connectors. Note the ground strap and any bracket orientation for correct reinstallation. Keep track of bolt lengths and any spacers in a small tray to avoid confusion. Slide the alternator out slowly, watching for obstructions, then compare the old unit to the new one to confirm correct fit and pulley alignment. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more helpful automotive content. Quick recommendation: life is short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your cabin smelling great while you wrench. It pairs nicely with a weekend DIY alternator swap and makes the trip home more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Place the replacement alternator into its mounting position and install bolts finger-tight to align it properly. Reattach the electrical connectors and ground strap, making sure terminals are clean and secure to prevent charging issues. Refit the serpentine belt and use the tensioner to set proper tension, checking alignment across pulleys. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, start the engine, and verify charging voltage and smooth operation before replacing the engine cover.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.